Good morning and welcome to our Monday's maths lesson. Now, very excited about our number of the day today. On thinking all the way back to Friday, our number of the day on Friday was 9. Now I've got some information about the number of the day and I need your help with it. So I know today our number of the day is one more than 9. Okay, it's one more than 9. And if I come all the way down here, say what's that one? Oh, of course it is, thank you, it's 11. So I know our number of the day today is one less than 11. What do you think it is today? Say it if you know it. You are all superstars. I think you know it. If you said 10, give yourself a big pat on the back. Well done. Get those magic pens and pencils out. Oh, I've forgotten about 10. We get to do 2 digits for this one. This is exciting. So we're going to start up here. We go down, pen off, and then we get to do our 0. We start here, we go around. Okay, let's do that again together. Down, pen off, and around. Are you ready? I can't wait to draw this on the ceiling. Okay, up to the ceiling. Down, off, and around. Good job. Over to the window. Down, off, and around. Over to the door. Down, off, and around. On the table. Down, off, and around. And my favourite place. Where is my favourite place? I'm not even going to say it. You know it. Job done. Love it. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Oh, it's a good one today. Even if I say so myself. He's a little bit green. He's very, very happy. Not only does he have the number 10, but he also has some dice on his back. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't that interesting? So that shows us that 2 lots of 5 gives us 10. Brilliant. Right, let's get on with our lesson. As you can see, Miss McHale's getting a bit better at doing her magic. Okay, you probably remember this from when Penny did her very special story, I know, and I was about to rub it out and she said, no, please don't rub it out, so I couldn't. And I thought, okay, Penny, it's okay, we'll use it. We'll use it for our lesson today. Now, you have been fantastic at counting forwards and counting back, okay? And we're really going to focus on counting forwards and back within 10 today, okay? That's what our focus is on today. So let's warm our brains up and we're going to start with number 1. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant. Let's go back down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Now, I'm going to pick some places to start with in these numbers and we're going to count forwards, okay? Are you ready? So if I say 5, I will say 5 and then when I point to the next number, you will say 6. Okay, ready? 5. Brilliant. Lots of you said 6. On to the next one. 8. Brilliant. 3. I can hear lots of you doing this brilliantly. Keep saying it. So when I point with my magic pen, that's when you say the numbers. That's 1 on from the number that I give you. 6, 9, 4, 3, 1. Brilliant. You are getting so good at counting forwards. Now we're going to do it backwards. So when I say 6, you say 5. 6. Brilliant. 9, lots of you saying 8, well done. 10, 9, good job. 3, fantastic. 7, brilliant. Oh, brilliant at counting forwards and counting back. Now we're going to play a little game and this is a really, really fun game for you to play at home. So if your parents are maybe doing something now, maybe pause the video and say, look, come and watch this game with Miss McHale because it's a really good game to play and we can play it throughout the day. Okay, this is how it's called ping pong. Can you say ping pong? Brilliant. Now, you have to take out your racket, okay? bit like a tennis racket or a ping pong game. So I've got my imagination switched on. Do yours. Brilliant, we're all ready. So take your racket out of your pocket. Well done. And when I say ping, you say pong, okay? So ping, well done. Ping, brilliant. So you need to say pong when I say ping. Ping, ping, brilliant. Then after I say ping and you say pong, I'm going to give you a number and you give me the next one that goes up, okay? So you ready? Ping, ping, 6. And you should have said 7. Well done. Ready? Ping, ping, 4. Well done if you said 5. So we're going up from the one that I give you. Ready? We're getting faster. Ready? Ping, ping, 6. Brilliant. Ping, ping, 3. Fantastic. Ping, ping. I'm going to move this over. 8. Fantastic. Now, we are going to be playing that all week, okay? So, put your rackets back. Well done, keep them safe. We're going to be playing that all week. We're going to get super quick. So we're going to start by looking at going forward in our ping pong game, but throughout the week, we are going to start going back as well, okay? So if you can practice that at home with your family, with anyone who will play it with you, then you're going to get super quick at it, okay? And I would love it if you could send me some videos in of some of you playing ping pong with other people in your house, okay? That would really make me happy. Okay, now, I have made another video for you to watch because it's really helpful for me to know that we're all still learning how to count backwards. So my very good friend, Mr. Paul, I rang him up and I said, Mr. Paul, you're so good at playing the guitar, just like Miss Lewis. Please, could you sing me 10 green bottles? And he said, do you know what, Miss McKell? He said, I can do better than that. He said, I'm not going to sing you 10 green bottles. He said, I'm going to sing you 20 green bottles. So I hope you can sit back and relax and enjoy this story, this musical gift from Mr. Paul. And I mean, I did, one of my neighbours saw me because it involves me dancing in the garden. And I mean, they just didn't know what to say to me. They were so impressed with my musical expression. So you're in for a treat. That's all I'm going to say. So we start with the green bottles from 20 and we go all the way down to 11, okay? Now, what I didn't show you, because you can't see it on the video, because I'm going to take you into my garden. You're going to get to see my garden. But I'm only showing you a section of the wall, okay? The bit that you can't see, the bit that's off camera, there's more bottles. So there are bottles, there are 10 bottles on my other wall, but that's just not in the camera, okay? So you are going to see Mr. Paul singing and my dancing for 20 green bottles. The other thing I do need to tell you, Miss McKell didn't have green bottles, so I've used other things. I've used things like washing up bottles, milk bottles. I've even used my hand soap bottle. So you're in for a musical delight. I hope you enjoy it. Please sing along with me, with Mr. Paul. I'm dancing. Please sing along with Mr. Paul and look out for Penny. She's always around. Just keep looking out for her. Okay, enjoy.
Bottles hanging on the wall, 20 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 19 green bottles hanging on the wall, 19 green bottles hanging on the wall, 19 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 18 green bottles hanging on a wall. 18 green bottles hanging on the wall. 18 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 17 green bottles hanging on the wall. 17 green bottles hanging on the wall. 17 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 16 green bottles hanging on the wall. 16 green bottles hanging on the wall. 16 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 15 green bottles hanging on the wall. 15 green bottles hanging on the wall. 15 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 14 green bottles hanging on the wall. 14 green bottles hanging on the wall. 14 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 13 green bottles hanging on the wall. 13 green bottles hanging on the wall. 13 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 12 green bottles hanging on the wall. 12 green bottles hanging on the wall. 12 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 11 green bottles hanging on the wall. 11 green bottles hanging on the wall. 11 green bottles hanging on the wall. And if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 10 green bottles hanging on the wall.
Okay, so on the date, because it is Monday today, you can write Monday. And it's Monday the 18th of January. Okay, so you can pause the video and copy that, or it's fine if you want to get an adult to write it. Okay, I'm going to show you what we need to do today. Now, I've got my number line in front of me, and I know lots of you have made your own number line. So if you have your number line at home, please go and get it, because it will really help you. If you haven't made one, you can always give it a go now, or you could ask an adult to write it out for you. Okay, so I'm going to explain what we need to do, because this is all about finding one more and one less than a number from 1 to 10, okay? So actually, I only need my number line to go up to 10. So I'm going to fold it so it just goes up to 10 for me today. Okay, so the first thing I do is I always count the ladybird in the middle. So count with me. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write the number 3. And do you know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to really focus on my number formation. So I'm going to start at the top. Actually, do you know what? Before I write it, I'm just going to practice it on my number line. So I go around and around. Oh yeah, now I can remember. So I go around and around. Now, They're a little bit cheeky because they haven't given you the spots. You have to work it out. You have to be ladybird detectives today. So my question to you is, what is 1 less than 3? So if we look at our number line, 1 less than 3, say it to me. Good job. It is 2. So I'm going to write the number 2 there. And don't forget to put 2 spots on that ladybird. Okay. And we go back to this number in the middle. And you can see it's bigger, and we need to find out what is 1 more than 3. So I'm going to go back to my 3, go to my 4, because that is 1 more than 3. You know what? I find 4's a bit tricky. So I'm going to just gently go over my 4. Oh yeah, now I remember how to do it. And I'm going to write 4 here, okay? Don't forget to do 4 spots on your ladybird. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. So going down, it's exactly the same as what we've just done. You need to work out this one first. So count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6. So going to my number line, I'm looking for this one, and I know I need to find 1 less than 6. And you're really good at this because it's all like our number of the day. So 1 less than 6, say it to me now. Good job. That's what you need to write in there. And then once you've done that, we then go 1 more than 6. So 1 more than 6, what is it? Oh, you are such superstars. Good job, everybody. So you write that in there, not forgetting to do your spots as well. So you can finish those off by yourselves, and then I'd like to see you doing the final ones by yourselves as well. So from me today, thank you so much for a wonderful lesson. I've certainly had a lot of fun. I hope you have as well. And I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.